In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the origin in Blender using the edit mode, ensuring your modeling workflow is both precise and efficient. This technique is essential for those looking to have better control over object transformations and pivot points. To start, let's get into edit mode by pressing the Tab key. You'll notice that your mesh changes slightly in appearance, indicating you're ready to make more detailed edits to its structure. This mode is particularly useful for making precise adjustments to vertices, edges, and faces of your 3D model. Now that you're in edit mode, your next step is to select a vertex, edge, or face where you want your object's origin to be located. This selection process is crucial because the position you choose will directly affect where the new pivot point will be established. Feel free to orbit around your model to find the perfect spot that suits your project needs. Simply click on the desired vertex, edge, or face to select it. If you need to refine your selection, holding down the Shift key allows you to click multiple components to include in your selection. Once you've selected your desired point, it's time to bring up the Set Origin Pie menu. This is done by using the shortcut Ctrl+Alt+X. When you press this combination, a circular menu will appear on your screen, providing you with various options related to setting the origin. The Pie menu is a handy feature, offering quick access to essential tools without the need to navigate through multiple menus. Within the Pie menu, you'll see different options for setting the origin. One of these options is Origin to Selected, which shifts the origin of your object directly to the center of your current selection. This option is incredibly useful for symmetry tasks, or when you want the object to pivot around a specific detail you've highlighted. Another option you might consider using is Origin to Bottom. This setting places the origin at the lowest point of your object. It is particularly effective when working with floor-bound models, ensuring that any transformations you apply maintain the object's base on a flat surface. This could be crucial for architecture projects or grounding objects realistically within a scene. By experimenting with these origin settings, you can enhance the functionality and manipulation of your 3D models in Blender. It not only provides better alignment and control, but also facilitates a more intuitive modeling process. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to set the origin using edit mode in Blender. This technique forms the backbone of object manipulation and brings a higher level of precision to your 3D modeling projects. Keep practicing, and soon these steps will become second nature in your 3D workflow. Thank you for watching, and happy modeling!